Hi, it's me again with laser tips and tricks. And I've always shied away from engraving, especially on wood, thin line fonts, thinking they didn't really show up very good. And this past week, I was at the APA show in Las Vegas and took a class by Mr. Epilogue, Mike Dean. And the subject was brought up because their print driver can print up to 1,200 dots per inch. And he said that really the only time you want to use 1,200 dots per inch because the human eye can't really see it. But he suggested using 1,200 dots per inch over 600 dots per inch when you're doing like a thin line font. This font was ran at, and the picture's not perfect, this font was ran at 600 dots per inch. This one was ran at 12. And it's definitely different. It's definitely darker and makes it stand out. Now, if you had to do a bunch of it, it would take twice as long because when it's laying down twice the dots, it'll take you, well, I don't know if it's quite twice as long, but it's quite a bit longer run. So if you're doing something and it's just got a few words in it that are a thin line font, such as any of these, and especially like this one, you might consider using 1,200 dots per inch. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.